Good day everyone, this is Teacher Alvin, your TLE teacher. For today's video, we're gonna talk about the importance of methods of sketching, outlining, and shading of bamboo, wood, and metal products. Get your notebook and your ballpen and try to take down notes all the important details about the topic. Let's go! Importance and methods of sketching, outlining, and shading bamboo, wood, and metal products. Children, look at the pictures. What can you see in the picture? What can you say about the things shown made from bamboo, wood, and metal? Read the following words. Yes, we have the sketching, shading, and outlining. As you can see in the picture, the other one is enhanced and decorated, while the other one is not. Why do we use these materials? What did they do to enhance the products? In this lesson, you will learn how sketching, outlining, and shading can add beauty, thus increases the appeal of bamboo, wood, and metal products. Sketching. Sketching is a practice of using a rough outline or it is draft version of an object. Sketching is a preparation or an idea of how something will look like, and that is sketching. Outlining. Outlining is the process of making an image in the outer parts of any shape or object using lines. To draw the outer edge of an illustration, diagram to emphasize the shape or image of the drawing. This step is also known as inking of drawing. It is done when you go over the lines used to produce a rough sketch with thick and dark ink to make it more distinct. And this is outlining. Shading. Shading is the darkening or coloring of an illustration, diagram, or outline. Tracing and defining the outer edge of shape of the drawing, it is a technique that makes the lines drawing pop off and stimulate a three-dimensional look. It adds depth and contrast to your piece. And that is shading. Let's do this! In your activity notebook, create any products and let's apply sketching, outlining, and shading. Good luck, kids! These products are the examples of sketching, shading, and outlining products from wood and bamboo. Let's try to check your output using the rubrics. The criteria is design, workmanship, and appearance. Before going out to school, church, or even in the market, what are you doing to yourself? Did you take a bath? Did you apply powder? Did you use cologne or perfume? Products made from bamboo, wood, and metal are bare looking if there were no enhancement or artwork added to it. This is the reason why many small cottage industry and handicraft makers in the country continue to create different products out of bamboo, wood, and metal. They tried innovating and even adding accessories or to make it more sellable both locally and even in international. Okay children, this time let's try to check your knowledge and idea about sketching, shading, and outlining finished products. Let's go! Read each question carefully, choose the letter of the correct answer, and write it on your answer sheet. Assignment: give 5 importance of enhancing used cans, bamboo or wood into a beautiful decor. Thank you for watching my video. Since this is asynchronous, hope that my video give you a lot of knowledge about our topic in TLE Industrial Arts. Shout out to Grade 6 Lerio, Grade 6 Sampaguita, Grade 6 Orchids, and Grade 6 Camia. And adios, amigos!